Hey you, do you think going viral is purely luck? That only special people get their moment to bask in TikTok fame? Wrong. Anybody, anybody can do it. All you need is the right strategy. Come here. I'm gonna give you that strategy right now. I'm Chris McCollins, a content creator and host with Learn with Shopify. And in this video, I will give you the path to TikTok fame for your business. Make sure to watch till the end because I will be giving you the top 10 tips and tricks on how to organically go viral on TikTok, including TikTok Shop. And in case you need convincing on why TikTok is a good place to grow your business, I've got some reasons. It's a cost-effective way to attract new customers because you don't have to pay for views. The views come to you. You can authentically grow your audience and create brand awareness. Best of all, TikTok doesn't require a perfect aesthetic or high production team. You just need yourself, a good story, and an iPhone or an Android. A good story, however, is key. More on that later. TikTok allows you to link your website right on the platform. And with the addition of TikTok Shop, viewers can now directly purchase your products without ever leaving the app. This is a huge win for e-commerce businesses. This could be your big break. Lastly, it's one of the top search engines for Gen Z. Real quick, I want to let you in on a little secret. Shopify offers free resources and education to help you with your business every step of the way. So if you want to leave your competition in the dust, subscribe to stay up to date on all of our new videos. Pretty soon, I will be releasing a video on how to grow your business with TikTok ads, and you won't want to miss it. In this video, I'm going to go over two very important things. Number one, how to use the app. Number two, how to make your content go viral. You will feel like Master Shifu after watching this video. Okay, let's get started on how to set up your profile for the best reach. You will have to sign up and make your account. You can sign up with an email or a username. Once you have signed up, you'll want to go to your profile, the little head at the bottom right-hand corner, and click Edit Profile. Make sure that your username is your business name. If your business name is not available, try different variations. You can use underscores or add your name and shop. Make sure your business bio is something that sums up your business well, in 2 seconds or less. Let people know why they should stay and follow you. Link your website to your profile so that customers can easily shop your product. In order to add a link to your TikTok profile, you will need an online shop. If you've been holding off on setting up your dream online storefront and you're ready to dip your toes into the water of online business, Shopify is offering a free trial so you can test out the world of e-commerce risk-free. Don't underestimate what procrastination is costing you. Okay, back to TikTok. Here is how people consume content on the app. The app is divided into two main feeds, the For You feed and the Following feed. The For You feed shows you videos the algorithm thinks you'll like, similar to the Instagram Explore page. The Following feed shows you videos from people you follow, like your grandma and that guy you met once on a dating app. There is one other feed called the STEM feed. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. TikTok is trying to enhance the educational value of the platform. The TikTok team says that education-based communities are already thriving on TikTok. Viewers can either turn the STEM feed on or off, depending on what they want to watch. To get on the STEM feed, you need to add STEM-related hashtags. This is good news for STEM-focused businesses. On the right side of any video, you will see the engagement buttons. You can like, comment, share, or save a video. The more people that engage with your content, the more TikTok will push your videos. I will be showing you how to get high engagement in the next section of this video. The spinning music record represents the song in the video. If you click on it, you'll see the song's name, the artist, and the song's popularity. This will be an important part of your viral video strategy. Below, you will see all the other creators that have used the song in their videos. You can see what's trending under that song, but be careful not to get lost in the endless scroll. Okay. So how do you create a video on TikTok? You will need to click the big plus sign in the middle of the screen. You can select your music first, or you can record your video and add the music later. Then there's the timer option. This will let you film videos without holding the record button, which is super useful. You can also upload videos you've created outside of the app. You can have several videos that you want to edit, and you can just stitch them together right in the app, and also add text. You can do something called duets. This is typically used for reactions and response videos. It splits the screen in half so you can film yourself next to somebody else's video. Duetting with a viral video could help you get a lot more views. Music is super important when it comes to creating a TikTok video, as using the right song could potentially help you gain more traction on your video. To choose a song, click on the Add Sound button. Click the Discover button, then click Discover More Songs. You can then click on TikTok Viral to find current trending songs. Some songs can be associated with challenges. Challenges can be run by brands, but most challenges are created by TikTok or the community. If you want to discover new content on the app, you can use the magnifying glass. You can search sounds, hashtags, or creators. You can find anything on the app, from funny cat videos to doctors giving advice to grandmas dancing. The possibilities are endless. Once you've released your TikTok video, you can see how well it did. If you go back to your profile, you can see the views on the screen. If you want to see more analytics, click on one of your videos, click the 3 dots, and then click analytics. You can see average watch time, total play time, engagement, and new followers generated. TikTok analytics are the secret sauce behind all viral videos. They show you what is working and what is not. Watch time is one of the most important things to look at. If you increase your watch time on your videos, you will increase your chance of TikTok pushing your videos. Now, for what you've all been waiting for, here are the 10 tips and tricks to go viral on TikTok. Before we dive into these TikTok essentials, I want to make sure you know about our free Shopify trial. If you're just starting your business and you're still looking for a place to sell your products or services, you can try Shopify's free trial today and get your business set up with no credit card needed. You can easily link your storefront to your TikTok profile for followers to shop right on the app. Tip number 1 on how to go viral is to tell a good story. In storytelling, there is something called the open story loop. It is used in all movies, TV shows, and even songs to keep people interested. You probably haven't even noticed, but after today, you will start to see it everywhere. It's often known as a cliffhanger or a nail biter. Here's how you can use the open story loop for your TikTok videos. You want to get a viewer curious by stating a question, a problem, or something controversial, leaving the viewer waiting for how to solve the problem or answer the big question. Humans are psychologically driven to close the open story loop. They will wait in suspense until they can feel certain the loop has been closed. You will close a story loop by giving the audience what they anticipate. An example of this would be waiting until the final note in a song is played. If it isn't played, you will feel a bit irritated because what you were anticipating never came. Here's an example of an open story loop. They said it was impossible to start a truly sustainable shoe company, but I tried anyways. At this point, the viewer is curious. You then share your journey and the struggles you experienced. I went to every manufacturer, and they all turned me down. I made 7 samples, and nothing worked out, until I made the perfect shoe. You then show them your perfect shoe. Every store rejected me, so I made my own store, charismart.com. The viewer goes, yes, they made it. And they're now just a bit more connected to your story and your brand. Number 2 is value. People come to TikTok for 3 things. Number 1, to be entertained. Number 2, to be inspired. Or number 3, to be informed. You want to always be asking yourself, when my videos end, did the viewer really gain anything? You always want to lead with value first, and then promote your brand or offer after. This is the law of reciprocity. For example, you may create a video on how to make sustainable shoes. You will show the process, and only at the end you'll plug in your call to action. TikTok is quite different from Instagram. On Instagram, videos can look perfect, polished, and almost ad-like. This will not fly on TikTok. TikTok is about creating a genuine connection with your following. Branded videos that add no genuine value will fail. So be your weird, goofy, authentic self, because that is what the world needs more of. You can also create your videos with keywords that your target demographic is searching for. You can ask ChatGPT, what problems do young moms face? Or what keywords do young moms search up the most? And ChatGPT will give you a list of words to make your videos off of. Don't hate your competition, learn from them. You want to look at other brands in your niche and see what went viral for them. Dissect those videos like the detective you are and see why it's working for them. You want to try to find patterns and formulas that you can recreate and make your own. You can reinvent the wheel, but when something is already working for you, you want to use it to your advantage. Number 3 is formats. Here are some formats that will help you reach the sky with your new TikTok channel. Soon, you'll be looking down on everyone else like little ants. Okay. Here we go. Run and grab that notepad. Use video loops. You can make it so that your last sentence seamlessly flows into your first sentence. This will make it so that the viewer doesn't know when your video begins or ends, causing longer watch time. It's pure evil genius. Fast and flashy videos. Attention spans are short, so having lots of cuts, shots, and actions on screen can be super helpful in holding the viewer's attention. Think of the new Dune movie. The visuals keep you holding your breath with your eyes locked to the screen. That 2-hour and 46-minute movie felt like less than an hour. Collaborations. If you have friends or fellow businesses who are also on TikTok, reach out to them and ask to collaborate. This will help both of you grow because each of your audiences will find out about both of you. Tons of large influencers create communities they continue to collaborate with, and this helps their followers skyrocket. I have personally used this myself, and it is how I grew to 1.5 million followers on my own social media. Comment replies. This is a great way to retarget people organically because other viewers may have the same question. You may not be just responding to that one comment, but likely a wider audience. Carousel slides. You can show anywhere from 2 to 35 images. This is similar to carousels on Instagram. However, you want to make it into a story. So start with a hook, then a journey, and finally a solution. Use a similar structure to the open story loop, but instead of videos, just use photos. The hook. You want to hook people in the first 3 seconds and keep hooking them throughout the video. A hook is basically the beginning of that open story loop we chatted about earlier. It's something that immediately catches the viewer's attention. It's the bait that catches them and keeps them watching your video. Something controversial or intriguing is best. Captions. According to TikTok, between 70 to 80% of people watch videos with the sound off. This makes captions super duper important. A lot of people are watching videos in public spaces and they don't want to be disrespectful to others, so they keep their sound off. You can add auto captions on the TikTok app and edit them, or you can add them with one of my favorite editing apps called CapCut. Number 6, a niche. People love consistency and they like predictability. Picking your niche and sticking with it could be the best way to grow. What this means is 2 things. Number 1, a focused topic. What problem do you solve and who do you solve it for? Who is your damsel in distress and why do they need you? Number 2 is a focused format. Choose a format that works well and stick with it. This keeps viewers coming back for your content again and again because they know what to expect. It creates brand trust and could ultimately lead to more sales for your business. People go to the same coffee shop every single day because they know how the coffee will taste, and they like it that way. So how do you find the perfect niche? In the beginning, you will need to experiment and A/B test until you find a format, a message, and a thumbnail style that is best for you. Don't get stuck too long in the planning stage with this. You want to make sure you're testing out your ideas on the app and finding what works. It's okay to just try and fail until you get it right. Nobody gets it right on the first try. Keep your mind in the right place by giving yourself enough time to figure it out. Number 7 is taking risks. Here's a fascinating piece of advice. Decision makers at TikTok are saying that taking risks and being vulnerable is now the ultimate brand strategy. They say the unknown and the uncomfortable is what creates the unimaginable. And those brave enough to create it won't just keep up, they'll flourish. What is TikTok saying here? They are saying to be brave enough to be vulnerable and take risks on the app, because those who do will succeed. If your business has some quirks, share them. Don't strive for perfection, strive for connection. See that little rhyme I did there? Number 8 is shadow banning. Another quick tip is to watch for shadow banning. TikTok bots may notice some sort of violation in your use of the app, which can result in less exposure for you. TikTok has not confirmed they do this, but there have been a lot of people affected by a sudden drop in engagement. If you notice this is happening to you, just try to avoid doing the content you think might cause the violation. Doing too much at once on the app could be considered spam behavior as well, so don't go too crazy when commenting on your favorite TikToker's post. Number 9, attracting your target demographic. When you start your account, you want to immediately follow people in your niche and like their videos so that TikTok knows what kind of account you are. This will help them to push your content to the right people. Hashtags. Hashtags can also matter quite a bit in the beginning. They will help you get in front of the right target audience. Using 2 to 3 hashtags in your niche on your video can help position your branding on TikTok. Posting time. Think about your target demographic and what times they might be on the app. You want to try and post your videos around those times. For example, if your target demographic is people who work a 9-to-5 job, you want to try and post between 5 to 7 p.m. when they get home and start using the app. Video length. TikTok says that over 60% of viewers watch videos over 60 seconds. You want to try and post videos either under 5 seconds or over 60 seconds. Over 60 seconds is better, as it will cause you to have higher watch time. However, people have found great success in the 20 to 30 second timeline as well. So test out what works best for your niche. Consistency. You want to always be on the top of people's minds. The more you post, the more people will see you. Posting consistently will absolutely help you grow. You can start with 3 times a week and then bump it up to 5 or 7. My recommendation is to have content days. Film all your content at once and then edit it all at once. This is much more effective than trying to film a video a day. Number 10, TikTok Shop. When TikTok Shop was released, it started to feel like money was raining down from the sky and small businesses have been catching it in buckets. This is the newest addition to TikTok that has changed the game for e-commerce businesses and influencers. It's currently only available in Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, United Kingdom, US, and Vietnam. Apologies to my fellow Canadians. It's not available yet, however, it will be soon. TikTok Shop allows creators to tag products right into a video, which gives users the opportunity to buy products from in-feed and live videos. Businesses can make their own product portfolios. There's also a TikTok Shop tab that lets users search for products they're interested in. This means you can post your own product links, but you can also partner with influencers and give them a cut of the sale to promote your business using affiliate links. Lots of creators and businesses are noticing that TikTok Shop videos are currently being pushed on the app. Setting up your TikTok Shop may increase your views and overall engagement, but the best part is it may also increase your sales. Here's how to set up your TikTok shop. For starters, if you have an online store, you can link it directly to a TikTok shop. If you don't have an online store, you can sign up for Shopify and get your store set up today. You'll want to go to TikTok Seller, sign up, verify your account. Then it will ask you a few questions about your business. You will put all your business tax info in. It's important to know that you can only create one account per social security number. Next, name your shop. It's best to name it your business name. Then try to find the product you're selling. Add your phone number, set up shipping, and add that product in. You're going to want to sync your online store. You can choose Shopify by installing the TikTok app on Shopify. You are all set up. Now, when you go to post, you can click the add link button and you can add your product link. You can get people to buy your product directly from videos, or like I said earlier, even partner with influencers who will share your link. Now you know how to go viral on TikTok. The next and most important step is to put this into action and start creating. The best thing you can do is start now. The world is your beautiful pearly oyster. Don't spend too long overthinking what you will do. The sooner you get started, the sooner you can start building that dedicated following around your brand and leave everybody asking how you did it. There is a quote I love: show me today and watch me do it tomorrow. Take it even further and go do it today. If you're currently thinking of starting a business, you can try Shopify's free trial, risk-free and cancel anytime. Shopify makes it super easy to set up your online store with website templates and app extensions that help you with every single step of the process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me to continue to bring you new and valuable information. And it also helps YouTube push our content to more business owners who need it. If you want to continue to learn more about building, scaling, and running a business, make sure to subscribe because we release weekly videos to help you along the way. If you have any questions about how to grow on TikTok, please comment them below and I will get back to you. Again, I'm Charisma Collins. This is Learn with Shopify, and I will see you again soon on my next video where I will go over a complete TikTok for business guide, including how to thrive with TikTok ads. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.